Good morning, Steve Freed in cold, snowy, windy Chicago with the morning grain comments. Number one, it's USDA report day. So later on, we'll figure out what the USDA feels is the final U.S. 2023 corn and soybean crop, what they feel farmers will plant initially in winter wheat acres for 2024, and any changes they might do to world and U.S. Supply and demand. I think the first thing that people are going to be looking at is South American production, especially Brazil, and how much they lower the numbers for corn and soybeans. And then for Argentina, how much they raise the numbers and what is the net difference. I think they'll also be watching for import demands for China. They also for soybeans, and they'll also be looking at making maybe any adjustments, especially to U.S. Long-term soybean meal export numbers and domestic soybean oil use. The main thing right now is that soybeans right now is up about 6 cents at $12.43. We have seen quite a bit of a drop from the November high of $14.10. Funds are short beans, short soybean oil, and long a little bit of meal. And there's kind of a gap at the $12.90 area. And I think that farmers are hoping to see a little bit of testing of that gap, whether it's a response to this USDA report or just some short covering after the report. But bottom line is that prices probably will trend lower due to the bigger South American crops. As far as the corn market is concerned, we're unchanged at 363. Again, we are down from the October highs of 521, trending lower, momentum is lower, and the funds increased their net short positions. Export sales this week were disappointing, and I think that the market is concerned about losing export share to Ukraine and also a bigger Argentina crop. So we are in this kind of trading range, trying to hold the 450, holding the 450 area, but farmers hope that we get back closer to $6 on some short covering rally to sell some additional cash. To date, we think the farmers sold about 70% of their soybean crop, worth only 30 to 35% of their corn crop. In the wheat market, the Chicago continues to trade in a 590, 613 trading range, near the season lows. We also see Kansas City in a 604, 629 range, and Minneapolis near contract lows in a range of 697 to 747 at a high. The other big news overnight is the U.S. led coalition sent 100 missiles to the Houthi military positions in Yemen. And we're just kind of concerned that that response, while justified to some, could increase tensions in the Red Sea. So we'll be watching USDA numbers. We'll be watching the South American competition down the road and watching demand for U.S. exports.